Welcome back to the video, guys, and thank you guys for joining me, your boy Tony, for another banger. I'm excited to be here with y'all today. Spread the good energy, the good vibes, man. Let's get this video flowing. Today is a bit of a change up today. I'm in the middle of a VHR manifold swap. We'll do a whole in-depth video on that, but my car, it does have a check engine light right now, and I figured instead of using the same normal boring scanner that I always use, the Harbor Freight Special, this guy right here, and I'm also tuned on upright, and I have my own cable. You guys can use that as well to diagnose codes and whatnot, but we're not going to do that today. I actually have an interesting video for y'all today. This one works fine. This one's like 20 bucks, but I stumbled on something great at Ross. Out of all places in this world, man, at Ross, I stumbled upon something, and I want to give it an honest and true review for the car community like yourself. So here we are, Micro Mechanic. If you guys can see that, Micro Mechanic. All vehicles 1996 and newer, as seen on TV. I have never seen this on TV, but if you have, let me know. Fast, easy, and accurate. Just plug in the vehicle support under dashboard. It's a pretty much an OBD2 scanner. $4.99 at Ross. So you guys know I'm not playing, man. $4.99 at Ross. $5. $5 scanner. And it's supposed to tell you in simple English what's wrong with the thing. So I don't know if this is true. Let's see what it says. What does it say? Tells why check engine light is on. Advises how severe car problem is. Prevent repair shop riff-offs. Let you turn off check engine light, oil change, and maintenance reminders. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, it comes with the storage case and ninja instruction guide. Let's crack this thing open, see how it does, man. Oh, the case, wow. Oh! Got it. This is what it is right here, Micro Mechanic, man. OBD2 port. Pretty sure we have to download an app. This is an instructions manual, pretty self-explanatory stuff. It tells you it works with a whole lot of bunch of apps. I'm gonna get the first one they recommend. OBD Auto Doctor. So we're gonna get this up real quick, get it up and running, install it. And then once it's installed, we'll carry on to what we do and to see what happens. While this is downloading, the car is actually running a little bit weird because of the VHR manifold swap. At first, it was leaking a lot of air, and I could hear it from like the engine bay, the whistling noise, but now it's not doing that no more. So I'm not sure what's going on right now. It might be, I don't know what it is. So right now, we're trying to figure out. Oh, it's already downloaded. Nice. Let's see what we need to do. I guess we're plugging it in now. This thing right here. Yes, sir. With the 2 port next. Gotta keep the key on so that the car can actually register the OBD2 port. It says, configure the adapter from the app settings. If you have Wi-Fi adapter, connect the adapter Wi-Fi network to the phone setting. If you have Bluetooth adapter, make sure your Bluetooth turned on from your phone settings. I have no idea. Alright, it says turn on the car to ignition. Turn this on, connecting status, connecting to the adapter. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So you go to sensors. Oh my bad. You go to extras. You go to connectivity. You switch it to Bluetooth from Wi-Fi because this is a Bluetooth device. Switch it to Bluetooth device microtech. But I put microtech, but strict match turned it off so you can connect to it regardless, and then I'll connect after launch, meaning that you want it on to connect right when you launch the app. And that's all I changed, I believe, for it to connect. Because at first it didn't want to connect, but if you check it out. Connecting status, let me see if it does it this time for you guys, because it connected before, and then after that we're gonna trouble codes, and so yes sir, we'll take off from there. This screen is terrible, it's like a mirror. See it connected right now. Intake air temperature 30 degrees Celsius. I need to change those parameters so that we can get it into the stuff that I want. Let's go Imperial. Get it to connect again, guys. This is kind of cool that it gives you all these parameters just on your phone. you know, and then the RPM is right there too. That's kind of interesting. I didn't know it did all this like on the app. That's pretty dope. Engine coolant temp right now is at 69. Intake air temperature is at 96. Obviously the car's not on, you know, so trouble codes. Check engine light is on. See, wow, it already told me idle control system. Yeah, see, it's just idle control system P0507. It's just control system higher than expected. We said it's powertrain related. That would explain the I might need to get tuned for my intakes, because I'm gonna post a picture of what normal runners look like on a lower manifold. But if you guys look at mine actually looks ported because it's actually smoothened out and it looks a lot nicer and whatnot. So glad that we got that in there. Let me screenshot this, send it to the mad scientist. See, you can get the screenshot this right on your phone. Don't have to take a picture. See if we want to. Let's see what else we can do. Reset trouble codes, and I don't know what that is. Oh, upgrade to the pro. No thanks. So you gotta upgrade to clear the codes. Apparently, might not have to with another app. Can't do really anything else. I'm trying to show you guys any other cool features we have. It'll tell you if you have a check engine light. It'll scan it for you while you can do anything else. Diagnostics, inspections, readiness monitors like your TPM essences and all that. Onboard diagnostic monitors. See everything. All your monitors is telling you that they're cool, but all of these is telling me that I can only access them in pro. So I mean, with the basic one, you could probably pretty much just read your codes and whatnot. And for $5, I can't argue with that, because all these sensors, the app is what makes it cool, because I could do this all on my phone. I don't have to wait to it. The carrying case makes it super legit, bro. Like if we unplug this right here, watch. Plug this right here. That's the biggest selling point for me, man. This thing weighs like a couple ounces. See how good that looks? Close this thing. And we keep it in the race car, baby. You see that? We keep it in the race car, baby. We keep it tucked on us on the daily, man. So y'all know what the code is. Might need to tune, guys. Now that I have my Harbor Freight one. This one was like 20 something bucks. So it's what, 4 times the value? 3 times the value? I don't know. I think it's 4 times the value, actually. 20 bucks. It's like 25, maybe closer to 25 than 20. Plug the sucker in there. I'm only doing this because I'm trying to show you guys to clear the codes. This one's pretty cool too. It's pretty basic. You can see this one a lot better on screen. It's still loading, scan. This one only has 2 buttons, so it's easy, I guess, to use. Takes a while for it to kind of read. It is a little bit older. There we go. Codes found 1. Awesome. So we can compare. Read codes. Is it the same code? P0507. Idle air control system. RPM higher than expected. Perfect. Well, that's not perfect, but you know, at least erase codes. This one you can't erase codes. Erase done. All right, now that you're done, you can unplug this bad boy. And now we're gonna give her a good start. See what she sounds like, bud. I mean, you guys are already in this video. Might as well, right? Might as well give you guys a nice cold start. It's about time, man. It's about time. I was doing that for too long. I mean, it sounds fine. It obviously needs a tune. You can smell it. It's running so-so. So I got the car on here. I was gonna initially take it out for a drive and stuff to show you guys kind of the features, but there's not really any much that you guys would be able to use apart from the same stuff if you guys were driving. I'm trying to figure out how to put this so you guys don't get a glare. this is as good as it's gonna get, boys. But basically, intake air temperatures at 71, engine coolant at 120, RPMs, or let me see if it revs up at least when I rev it. Very interesting. Yeah, there's a lot of other sensors you guys can do. I added a few of them, fuel system status, and there's I added another one. You can't even tell me how fast I'm going. It's pretty much the only basic things you guys can do with this app is engine coolant temp, engine RPM, and intake air temp. There's other ones that you could add other sensors, but like I said, all the other ones are gonna need to have the Pro, which basically means you gotta pay. Engine power. See what I'm saying? Only in Pro. I mean, it's not bad. It's all the stuff you would need to use. Something helpful is that engine coolant temp. I didn't know that's what my engine coolant temp was at. Intake air temp is also a good thing. So these are things that I wouldn't be able to normally see just from looking at my dash. So I think it is actually, man, that door's freaking loud, man. You guys hear that thing vibrating? There we go. Anyways, basically what I'm saying, if you guys are gonna mount your phone somewhere and you guys have it, I think it's a perfect thing to add on there, because there's no harm in seeing your engine temp and your intake air temp. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. The speedometer I think is pretty cool because it's kind of like a race style one. You guys can see it. It's not as accurate as the other one, obviously, you know, because it does have to take time to get it to my phone, but look, it's pretty accurate. If you guys are buying a car, you guys should definitely look into this, man, because it'll tell you the check engine light, distance since reset, and then runtime since reset. Obviously mine says NA because I just reset mine earlier in this video you guys saw with my other scanner. This one you do have to upgrade to Pro. I'm going to show you guys how much Pro is. No limit on app features, access diagnostic, trouble codes, and clear engine light, monitor all sensors on your car, supports in real time, and much more. Always up to date, get to know your car better. Monthly is $4.99, yearly is $19.99, so it's $167 a month, which is not bad if you're gonna like invest and actually like use this to do stuff like that, maybe work on cars or whatnot. But I don't really need it for that, so no thanks. If you guys want to see the video of me doing the VHR swap manifold, I'm gonna link it down in the description below once it comes out. But that's gonna be on the that's gonna be around the corner, guys. So make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed the videos. Micro mechanic, man, not the best thing out there, but I'll definitely keep this on me for them race nights. Lightweight, very cool, very convenient. Keep this anywhere, guys. I think it's great. Weighs a couple ounces. That's the biggest selling point for me, that lightweightness, compared to the other one that can have their cables ripped. You can have those logs, you can have those stolen. This nice and sleek. Keep this anywhere with you. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's worth the $4 I spent, $5 I spent. I'm not gonna return it. I'm gonna keep it. The more the better OBD2s I got, because I would lose the other one. The more the merrier, man. I see no issue with this, especially if you can find it at Ross, at your local Ross too. I think this is a great diagnostic tool just for that. And the other apps got more stuff to them as well, so there's more stuff you can do, guys. As always, I appreciate you guys for stopping by, saying what's up. I got a giveaway. It's live at this time. You guys will be able to see it. It's gonna end on the 12th of this month. All you guys got to do to enter is repost the flyer that I got on my story on IG. Follow us on Two Tuners IG down in the description as well. That's the requirement 1. 2, you got to show proof that you're subscribed. And then 3, you got to do a sick burnout. We're giving away a free draggy for you to monitor your performance on your cars through via GPS. So be on the lookout for that, guys. Giveaway ends at 12. If you guys want to enter, head over to IG. Good luck to everybody. Completely free, shipped to your door. You guys don't have to pay anything. That's $150 value. That's all I do, baby. Bring value to the table. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and I catch y'all on the next video.